Guys, in this video I'm gonna to show you how to use the search LinkedIn URL from company name. So first of all, you will have to install Derrick. If you don't have Derrick yet, you can go to Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Derrick and install. Then go back to your Google Sheet and go to extension Derrick. LinkedIn email phone finder here, Derrick. Then Derrick will be open in the sidebar and you will search for company. You have two ways to do this, by this way, or you can go to company here and see each company feature we have. So what we will do now is to find LinkedIn company from name. So we'll select this one and then we will select the column name, company name. So let's change the name, for example, okay, let's say blah blah. Okay, and as you can see, the column you can select here will be the name of the header here. If we add another column like this one, you will see two columns appear here, and so you will have to select the company name column. In our case, it's the company name blah 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 blah. Okay, then Derrick will select this column and calculate how many lines you have, and you can click on the button to launch the automation, or you can preview on first 5 live if you are not sure and you want to keep your credits before going on your full list. So let's click on it. And okay, so as you can see, Derrick start to create columns, new columns. So you have the company name column, the company URL column, the activity column, the confidence column, and the search company status column. The first is the company name on LinkedIn. Maybe it's not the same company name you have and the company name on LinkedIn. The second is the URL. So this is the company URL of Devlo. Okay, so I'm not connected, but this is the company URL of Devlo. Then the activity area, and then the confidence. The most the confidence is high, the most we are sure of the result. If we not found, you will see a not found, and you will not be charged for this one. So that's all, and I hope you will use this feature, and if you have any any question, feel free to ask. Bye.